Well, do you want to learn how to make money while you sleep? Then I have a great product for you. Hi everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I want to talk to you today about digital notebooks. I've actually created a digital notebook course, and if you wait till the end, this will be a short video, but if you wait till the end, I'll give you a coupon so you can get some money off if you're interested in this course. All right, so what are digital notebooks? Let's go look on Etsy. So this is a product I created to teach you how to basically create a digital notebook with tabs. I've created this course to teach you how to do these notebooks on Canva, which I know is different than a lot of people have taught. I know that I've done them on PowerPoint, I've created them Affinity, and there's a few other places, but I don't think there's too many courses or any courses out there that I've seen that teach you how to do this in Canva. So I wanted to show you the simplest, fastest, easiest way to create a digital notebook in Canva. And these are the different types of digital notebooks with tabs that are out there. You can see, I love this one, and it's selling really well. You can see that this person has sold quite a few of their digital notebooks. This is a great actual store to look at to see how these sort of things sell. But you can see there's quite a few, and they don't sell for a whole lot. You're talking $5, $6, $8, $9, but do remember that with digital products, most of that is going to be profit. So I think this is a great way to make money while you sleep, to create an Etsy store, to create a digital notebook. And so I have, like I said, my course here, digital notebook course, is basically how to create a digital product that you can sell on Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. And it is a really easy way to create a 5-subject digital notebook in Canva. And I'm teaching you how to create templates and how to change out these products quickly. And if you want to create a more detailed or a different type of planner with like 10 or 15 tabs, I show you how to do that in the sense that really it's just kind of making more tabs to create and add on this notebook. So I hope you would be interested in this course. I really found it fun to create, and I really did think about someone who has never created something like this ever and made it as simple as humanly possible. All right, well that's all I have right for now, and I did want to give you that coupon. The coupon is SAVE10, all caps, SAVE 10, and that will get you $10 off this course. The coupon is good until the 29th of June. So hopefully I might extend that coupon, I might change it or whatever. So stay tuned for that. If you're later seeing this video, that's fine. I'm probably going to extend another coupon because I want you guys to be able to create digital products that you can sell on Etsy. I'm going to be talking a lot more about selling products on Etsy and creating other digital products because I think it is a great idea to take what you have and the skills you have in KDP and either recreate digital products to sell on Etsy from what you've already done, or to create new ones to maybe add additional income streams to you. All right, I'm so excited for this course. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really tried to make it as simple as possible, total beginner, and I think you guys are really going to find that learning a skill like this is going to expand your skills and what you think you can do. That's all I have for you. Bye.